Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade coming at you with a card share video. So this is the Spellbinders Just Add Cake birthday card making kit. I've shared cards that I made with this kit all month long. So this is the last video really highlighting the kit. There are still a couple of things I want to make out of the contents of the kit, but yeah, I'm about through with the kit as far as making cards. So let me share with you what I used, and be sure to stay to the end of the video because I have a really special surprise for you. So let me share with you what I used. So from my stash, I used this Gina Marie Designs enamel dots. From the kit, I used the rub-ons that they had, and I've made a couple of cards with the rub-ons. And if you've watched the previous videos sharing cards that I made with the kit, you know I love these rub-ons. I also used the die and sentiment set that comes with the kit. And yeah, happy birthday, it's your day, devour it. I love that one. And just add cake. Leaving nothing but crumbs, and a lot of sub-sentiments. To a friend worth celebrating, I like that one. To another year worth toasting. So super cute sentiments. An awesome 3D embossing folder, and this embossing folder is called Confetti Drops, and it just has a bunch of little confetti on them. Very festive and great for celebrating. And then for my stash, I used the fancy oval dies from Spellbinders, and I also used the notched corner frames from Spellbinders. So let me share what the cards look like. So here are the cards. This first one is the rub-on. It's just a cute little balloon. And then I used the sentiment from the stamp and die set. And then once again, I used the rub-on, and this is where I kind of made it a little fancy using my frames, the notch corner frames, creating a little border. I think that turned out cute. So those are the latest two cards. So I thought I would kind of go back and share with you all the cards that I made from the kit. So let's get started here. So this is like one of my favorites because I just love the coloring. And I also used the embossing folder on that one. This too was one of my favorites. I guess I like them all. And this one was using the rub-on, and once again the embossing folder, and the arch die from Spellbinders. This one was for my husband, his anniversary card, and I really liked the way this came out, and he loved the card. Another card I made was I kind of turned the cupcake eating monster into a pumpkin eating monster or jack-o'-lantern. Super cute. And then here's another card. I used the rub-ons. I really liked those rub-ons. I can't tell you how much. So here's another one. And then last but not least was the cupcake. And I thought this was super sweet. And I love how I finished it off with one of the little cherries on the inside. So these are the cards that I've made so far with the kit contents. So I have yet to use the happy birthday coffee first, then cake die set. So this is will be created later. And I just wanted to share with you the other dies that came with the kit. And you saw the cards that I made with those dies. Now, as with any kit or any bundle, usually there's some items that maybe you don't gravitate to, or just not your style. And there are a few things in this kit that did not, like pique my interest, so to say. But I thought I wanted to pass those along. So I will be having a giveaway. So you must be 18 years old or older. You must be a current subscriber to my channel. And you have to comment below if you want to be entered into the drawing. And let me share with you what part of the kit I will be passing along. So from scrapbook.com, this double-sided adhesive rose, this is the 1/4 inch. So the kit came with this pack of Spellbinders color wheel cardstock, just add cake. It's 20 sheets, 100-pound cardstock, different colors. A few of the card bases. I think I may have used a couple of them as layering pieces. And then also the Make It Count sentiments. Here it has make a wish, celebrate big, just add cake, make it count, and happy birthday. So look at that. The sequins that came with the packet, really pretty colors. And then last but not least is this die set. It's the floral dice that comes with the kit. It's never been used. And then it also has these little domes so you can make it a shaker, and hence the coming with the sequins. So let me know below if you're interested in entering in the drawing. I will draw a name probably this Friday, July 3rd, I guess. And thanks for watching. And then if you want to go back and look at the other videos showing the other cards again, there's a playlist, the Just Add Kate Spellbinders card making kit. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And remember, let me know below if you want to be included in the drawing for these extra items from the kit. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.